Well, we think we got one coming down. There's a field right past this first couple rows of RVs. Oh, wait a minute. He seems like he has slowed the descent. He was coming down pretty quick there for a minute. What's he going to do? I still think he's going to land. Yep, he's on a slow descent. People are running out to assist his landing. Sorry about the movement there. I got to watch for traffic, and the next strap is, yep. And oh, it's real close. It's real close. Sorry. And he's down.
Oh, yeah. The way how tight we're packed, I don't think so.
Oh, he's going to right in front of it.
Okay. Yeah, he'll hit all my stuff.
Okay, the heat must have finally hit the envelope because he's rising.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Colorado. They said they could hear.
Yeah. You remember, like at the new.
Literally right above us.
Yeah. Wow, you could see the very top.
Right through. Yep, right through the inside of the balloon.
I'm looking up at cold.
Yeah.